Before.
So guys, I bought a house. I didn't tell her.
Now we have like our own. No.
Kama uniamini bado.
Sikuamini.
Do everything.
Maintain. Thank you very much. Gosh, yes. Oh my God.
So this is your house, mommy. And I love you very much. And I want all the best for you. Yo, hello great people, African traveler again. Today is a wonderful day and I'm coming to surprise my wife with a house. She doesn't know I've bought a house. So over the past 2 months, we've been looking for a bigger house and I came around this beautiful estate that you look at that is under construction right now. I will tell you more details about it. And I got a better deal. So I bought the house and today I told her that we're coming to shoot with Mom Madhu, the house. So she doesn't know I've bought it. This is the show house. I think it will be ready in about 3 months time, so I'll be keeping you guys in touch, but I don't know how she'll react. The first house is almost done. It's a kind of showroom. So many of the fittings are yet to be done. Let's go and see if she likes it. Come. Yeah, so guys, here we are. So this is our show house today. Babe, how do you like it?
It looks nice.
You like it?
So this is a show house?
Yes, this is like the show house, but it's still on sale.
How come it's not finished?
Okay, it's still under finishing. So everything will be done in like 3 months time. So this is the sitting room. This is the kitchen. This is the dining area here. You'll find the dining area here. This will be the kitchen area.
No cabinets.
So there will be cabinets on top. The gas cooker, everything will be here. Fridge, and this is a pantry. There's a pantry here.
So it comes installed with the cooker, the fridge?
No, fridge no. Fridge no. So mostly itakuwa ni maybe hob if you want wakuwekea unaweza kiwa hob. Breakfast bar itakuwa nayo hapa. Alafu kutakuwa na dining hapa. Then the tiles contractor alisema anaweka yenye unataka.
Oh, you choose?
You choose, yes.
The color?
Yeah.
So you want something more bright, gray, maybe?
Yeah. So
what's painted all white?
This is the first coat.
Oh, okay.
So unaona vile inakaa. So this is the first coat. And so ndani wataka they will put the color that you love.
Oh, that is big.
It's big, eh? So, no.
Look at that dining area. And the sitting room is huge.
You like it? Imagine it has 3 bedrooms, all en suite, and an SQ.
So that's for.
It's like a 4-bedroom.
The SQ an office, like where you set up your gadgets. So that when you want to shoot, it's plug and play. Can you imagine? When you want to go live, you don't need to set up things. So
mina shanga, if we can rent this, would it be sufficient for you?
How much would it be? This looks like it would be 70K, 80K. Can you afford? Can you afford rent?
Let me show you the bedrooms. So there's a first bedroom here. Oh, there's a shared washroom.
Oh, the guest.
This is a shared one. Yeah, guest. All bedrooms are en suite. So this is one of it.
Black or white when you choose?
Yeah, it depends vile unataka. Nimekwambia anyone who's coming in right now, they are getting whatever they want. The houses, I think all the units are already sold out. Too bad for us. So this is the shower. Ini bedroom ya kwanza. Kuna bedroom ingine huku. There's another bedroom here. And also the tiles, as I told you, the tiles you select for yourself. Yes.
Okay. The doors, you prefer like white instead of black?
Yeah, it's still under construction. A lot of things still to be.
Yeah, but this really looks nice.
The tiles. You see, the shower room. If you want for them to take the tiles all the way up, you can. You can. The main room, master bedroom, is here.
Where the magic happens.
This is where the magic happens. But the thing is, they can extend it to about 6 meters. So you'll see some houses that are about 6 meters bigger.
Yeah, because this one looks pretty small.
Yes, you can extend. If you just request them, they just extend it.
Next to the...
Yes. Yes. So this is the kind of the room. Then we have, this is the there will be wardrobes here. Walk-in closet. There will be his and hers.
His or hers. No, all that space is hers.
Would you want to be in our video today?
I know, maybe it's not my thing.
So this is where the bathroom. This is you can put a jacuzzi if you need. You can, I don't know. But it will have 2 sinks. It will have his and hers. Be a partition here for shower area, shower cubicle. Like it's beautiful. It will be beautiful in the end. And you see, as I told you, if you want them to take the tiles up, because this is one of the best things, because it doesn't get mold. You know, some people wanafikishanga hapa, ama wanafikisha hapa juu anaacha. But tiles also for the bathroom, you are the one to select.
Oh, you decide?
Yes. Okay.
Spacious. It looks good. Kwanza the walk-in closet.
Fiti sana. So come I show you something else?
Young kids, you can put even a lot of bed.
Come I show you something else?
The dining table is huge. If you're the kind of a person who loves to entertain and host.
There's also what do you call this? SQ. There's an SQ here that you can have.
So this can be an office. It has even a toilet.
It has it's in suite. And you also have space behind. You have 2 parking or 3 if you want to squeeze it, and a picket fence around it.
Parking. So
Parking on front. On the back side, you also have. They will make some garden picket fence. It will be very nice. Kitchen garden.
Laundry area.
Yes. There's a laundry area. There's a.
You can put a gazebo.
A gazebo if you want. Yes. So the estate has a swimming pool and a basket courtyard. Yes, where your kids can play.
To like host an event.
So there's a clubhouse.
Interesting. They've really considered
so many things.
A young family.
It's
looks like a young family. The bedrooms you can fit 2 beds each.
And they love the windows, They're wide.
Yeah, and the high ceiling.
You see the high ceiling. So let me show you outside. So here there will be a parking. It's on a 50 by 100 plot, and but there are shared amenities like cab roads. So there will be a cab road. I can't really tell right now, but there will be 2 parking spots.
So everybody has a fence?
Everybody has a fence. And there will be a Cabro road here, basketball court, and the swimming pool will be on the other side, as well as the clubhouse. Yes. Umeilike by the?
Iko poa.
And you surprise nayo unaweza semaje?
It's a good place to start. Because renting in Nairobi.
Imekuwa unacheki vile hustle.
Because for such a house, I think in Nairobi you can pay between 50.
Unajua vile tumezunguka kwa house.
55k to
75. Yes.
Depending on location. The more closer you are to CBD, this would be like 80k.
Yeah.
Because all rooms are en suite. 80,000 Kenya shillings is like how many dollars? $800. Imagine. But of course.
So but with the struggle tumekuwa nayo kupata house poa. I decided to buy your house. I decided to buy your house.
Is this a prank? Is it prank za YouTube?
No, it's not a prank. Umekuwa ukinisumbua nyumba sana. Nikajam, nikakubaia house. She doesn't believe me. She thinks I'm joking.
Where would you get the money?
No.
You've joined.
Yeah,
Wash.
tumewasha pesa.
Umekuwa wash.
No, but seriously, I bought a family house. Yes. Would you want to live here?
Yes, why not?
Yeah. Come and show you our house.
I hope this is not a prank.
No. So guys,
let me not get excited before.
So guys, I bought a house. I didn't tell her. And the thing is, we've been looking for a house for quite a number of months. I think if it's not more than 2, 3 probably. And the houses.
Yeah.
Okay. The more when you're serious, you're about 2 months ago. It's like hapo ndo umenipush.
I've been looking for a house since last year October.
Last year October, ukinisumbuaga tu tunatafuta nyumba. I think there's also a video we did.
Oh yeah, when you were showing
of
that house.
So
really now we have like our own.
So come guys, I'll show you your house.
Goodness. Is this really happening?
Anyways, Ilia.
No.
Ama uniamini bado?
Sikuamini. Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious, and I bought a house for us because I couldn't. Sometimes when you look at the monthly rental we spend, we'd rather just buy a house. And I got.
It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
Pay
so
somebody $800 for like 10 years.
And I had a discussion with this management. We agreed on something. I offsetted the amount.
So this is it?
Yeah, this is it. This is it. So guys, this is our house. Yes. So our sitting room is quite bigger than what we had. You had seen. So there is some adjustment I had requested to make the living room much bigger, as you can see. So right now, most people can't see because I'm sure probably at always you're on a journey in your house.
It's not painted. It's had to feel.
So, but in a month or 2, you will see a crazy difference in terms of.
Gosh, like we own.
This is our house.
Like we are home owners. Is this happening?
Kitchen is here. So let me show you something. So this is what I was saying. The bedroom was a bit smaller. See,
extended?
I told them I needed the extension. So ikikauka, this one will be taken down. I want it bigger because we need to have something like a study area, So my bedroom will be way bigger than what you saw.
You can even set up an office. I can have like a
yes.
station.
And I know how much you love.
For baby.
I know how much you love bedroom. The wardrobe looks also big. You can see.
Walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet be here.
Gosh, this is going to be my first walk-in closet.
And the bedroom is here. Do you want a jacuzzi? We work.
Jacuzzi. Yeah.
Or you just want a simple bedroom?
A jacuzzi would be nice. Goodness.
Yes.
What?
Yes. There's some changes I did at the kitchen. On the other room, you couldn't, there will be that kanini here. A breakfast bar here. So I told them, I want this wall to be cut. If you look at the other room,
to be like an
it is just
plan.
like, to be an open plan so that you can.
This is nice.
Yes, those are the additions I mentioned. There will be a nini outside, as I told you. The SQ where you can use it. All the rooms are in suite. So guys, God has been gracious to the family, and we thank God for the provision. And this is not a prank. This is not one of those videos you guys think you're joking. I bought this house, and we're going to furnish with you guys. If you have somebody there who knows how to soup a house internally, let's get in touch. Let's discuss and help us fit this house, what you can provide. Let's partner with your businesses as we soup this house. We expect to come in here by hopefully.
Even with interior decor ideas, guys, you can comment.
Yes.
Because now I'm wondering, can you imagine furnishing an entire house? Like you're not just putting the seats, you're deciding on the colors, the tiles.
Yes.
What?
Yes. So
I'm not ready. I am not ready, guys.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Can't believe this is happening.
So yep. With that, guys,
I didn't even say thank you. Thank you, babe.
But I'm not joking. I'm serious. This house is bought.
It's ours.
For you, yes.
Gosh.
This is your house now. You plan everything you want. Do everything.
Maintain. Thank you very much. Gosh,
Yes.
oh my God. I'm not going to overreact.
No, I'm serious. This is your house. There'll be a space behind there for you.
I thought I would own a home like when I'm 50, 60.
You don't have to be at that age. So this is your house, mommy. And I love you very much. And I want all the best for you. Yes. And may God guide us through this journey. And you guys come through in terms of ideas and in terms of designing. We will keep you in touch in the journey. So we have probably, hopefully by December. I think the units are all sold out, if I'm not wrong. So this is not a marketing to the property developer or anyone. This is, and the reason why I'm not telling where we are is also because of the same, the privacy. So yeah, with that, what else do I show you? Let me show you different design, guys. Or with that, we say goodbye and have a good time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
I am shocked.
Yeah.
I'm still speechless. I think I'll take time to process.
Yes.
And say a proper thank you.
Guys,
also anxious and
I think
excited for the
she's always
journey.
been on my head to move out, like every other time. And the houses that we've been looking at,
they're too expensive.
like 70, 80 is like, I'm like, hey.
Like what I want is in the range.
Nimemweza.
Is in the range of 80, 90, 100K.
So, but here you can be able to hold up, right?
Yeah.
We can be able to hold up until probably max December. I think it will be ready. Yeah.
That's really soon.
So guys, peace out and have a lovely time. Thank you.
Bye.